I'm WSA 9 meteorologist Topper Shutt. Well, we talked about this. The tropics are heating up, and yes, we have a brand new tropical storm. Tropical storm Sally developed Saturday evening. So here's the deal. It's not a very strong storm. Winds are only 40 miles an hour. It's about 30 miles to the south-southwest of Naples. But here's the thing. It's going to move off to the west-northwest and will eventually, according to the National Hurricane Center, become a hurricane. So we'll show you the track here. We already have hurricane watches and storm surge watches up across much of the Gulf Coast. So this is Sunday at 8:30, still a tropical storm pulling away from Tampa and away from the west coast of Florida. But then look what happens. By the time we get to, say, Monday around 1 o'clock, it becomes a minimal strength hurricane, a Cat 1, if you will. And then by the time we get to Tuesday morning at 10 o'clock, it's very close to making landfall near New Orleans, sort of between New Orleans and Mobile. That seems to be the general consensus of the models. Remember, north and east of that track is where the highest winds are going to be, and also the largest storm surge is going to occur. So we're looking at a pretty big storm surge possible for places like Mobile and maybe down to New Orleans as well. That's 7:30 Tuesday night. It will be inland and then begin to weaken. So we check another name off. We're now up to Sally. We have Teddy, Vicky, and Wilfred left for the alphabet. And remember, in 2005, we had to go to the Greek alphabet to keep up with all the storms. So now we're tied for 8th place in the busiest tropical season. 28 storms in 2005. Yeah, that was a year of Katrina and the year of the Greek alphabet. 20 storms in 1933. We had 19 storms in 1887, 1995, and ironically 2010, 2011, and 2012. And then 18 storms, might remember 69, that was the year of Camille, and now we can add the year 2020 to that for 18 storms. And below that, 17 storms in 2017 and way back in 1936. 30s were a pretty big year for tropical storms. Now, how much rainfall? And that's going to be the biggest threat. Heavy rain and a big storm surge with this. So rainfall through Tuesday, anywhere from 2 to about 5 inches of rain. And I think just between New Orleans and Mobile, you're looking at anywhere from 5 to maybe 7 inches of rain. And that's if the storm does not stall. What's going to feed this storm? Warm water. Water temperature is essentially in the deep red there, 86 degrees. So that's what's going to feed this as we go through the weekend. I mean, it's very warm, and that's about perfect, quite frankly, for a storm. So all in this area, water temperatures 86 or higher. That's lots of fuel for development. So we'll watch this carefully. Right now, remember, the main threats are going to be heavy rain and a storm surge. And then right now, the track seems to be between Mobile and also New Orleans.